This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself.
So today we're going to be replacing a filter for a Whirlpool refrigerator. Currently when you want to get some water, it'll say it's time to put in a new filter. So we get this one that says order filter, and then this one says replace filter. So probably pretty soon it's going to say replace filter. So we'll go over today how to do that. If this video is helping you, please consider pressing down in the lower right hand corner of your screen the subscribe button, and that really helps our channel. We get the door open. We're going to pull this little lever toward us and then kind of pinching it, like putting our thumb here, pinching, this comes down, and then we can take out the original one that came with it and we'll pop in a new one. So we're going to push up on the bottom, get this out of its case. We'll separate these two halves. Get out the new filter. I'm going to take off this little seal on the top. There we go. Then there's some instructions in there too on how to do the replacement. Use our thumbs. There's a little groove here on the side, and a big groove on the other side. We're going to push in. It's a blue piece of plastic right there. Going to push in. It's going to let it drop down. And we're going to twist it to remove it. We're going to go lefty-loosey till it lets go. I should be able to pull it out at that point. Yeah, it just kind of snap out. There's the old one. Put in the new one. We're going righty-tighty to lock that one in. So we're going to get it in position and then turn to our right as far as it'll go. There we go. And we're just going to push that back up. Push that one up, lock it, and then we're going to let it fill with quite a bit of water to get any charcoal residue out of there. So pretty icky to start off. We're just going to do this about 8 to 10 times, and then you have nice clear water. Change the order filter light. Just go to options, press that. Where it says filter reset, press that one. Then do a confirm. And you got it. Watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance, and also click the little bell notification button so we can send you weekly videos on all the different ways of fixing appliances around your home and saving you lots of money. So thanks again for watching, and please also press the like button for our video if this was helpful to you. Feel free to contact me at the email listed below, which is scottthefixitguy@yahoo.com, with any of your questions. And also, if you need to have a FaceTime meeting with me or a Zoom meeting, you can click on one of the links below in the description, and we can set up a 15-minute or 30-minute video conference where we can work on your appliance problem. So thanks again for all your support and for watching the video.